what I get in the box today. Oh snap. I don't know if you guys can read that. Probably not, but it says Nismo. Your boy just got a new exhaust. I'm pretty excited for this. This one's straight pipe. This one right here that I'm still trying to sell, these big old cans on them right there that definitely muffle down the sound. But I gotta install this actually right away because it is Valentine's Day and I do have stuff to do. So no time to waste today, boys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Car Pro Reload. It's a silica spray sealant. Actually, I just read that right off the bottle. But it acts just like Ceramic Pro, just dumbed down version, more affordable. I actually recommend this to anyone that wants to seal anything on their car. So I'm actually gonna do this to all the tips and then the inside lip of the exhaust right here, just to keep it shiny and pretty looking. Yeah, so just gotta do those two and then the one more right there. And then that will be it for sealing it. And I'm excited. By the way, I want to give a huge shout out to Cass Tucker at Jackie Cooper Nissan. He definitely hooked it up on this exhaust, and he got it to me shipped for $1,300. You can't beat that honestly in the GTR market where exhausts go for $6 grand, $4 grand, and like this. This was $1,300, and it is from JDM Nissan, so Nissan of Japan. So it has Nismo right on the tips. It's kind of hidden with that, but it says Nismo. And then, of course, like I said before, that says Nismo. So, huge shout out to Cass Tucker. I appreciate it, man. Definitely, if you need to order any OEM parts, any GTR related parts, anything at all, hit him up. He'll give you the best deal possible. And can't wait to start up this car with this new exhaust on. Alright, I just want to show you one that I have the catback portion installed to my mid-pipe. I just want to let everyone know that I have a 3-inch mid-pipe, and it is aftermarket, of course. So this just confirms that just 3.5-inch catback exhaust bolts right up to a 3-inch mid-pipe. So that's really sweet. Saves you money if you don't have a 3.5-inch mid-pipe or just don't want to buy one. This catback bolts straight up to it. So now it's just time for the get part. Alrighty guys, so we got the axle back portion installed, and we're leaving the tips off for that cool look. Right there, we got that side. There's Laura, she helped me out. And then now I just need to tighten these bolts up, and then we are good to install the tips and everything else. Install is super easy and smooth. Fitment is a 10 out of 10. So let's get this tightened up and put the tips on and start her up. I'm looking through the rear of my bumper. Look at that. Nismo, son. That looks pretty good. And there's the exhaust tips it comes with. Pretty sweet. Just kidding. They're right there, and right there, and then
and right here,
and right there. There they are. It says Nismo on all of them. Looks pretty flush, I'd say. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty even. I'd say it looks pretty good. I like that mist spot though, right there, that I have in my car. Anyways, big shout out to Cass again for hooking it up. I'll leave a link down below to his Facebook profile so you guys can DM him if you guys want any parts, like I was saying before. Hit him up. Best parts around. JDM, OEM, Nissan. You know the deal. That thing sounds insane. Honestly, for 1,300 bucks, I don't think you can beat that on a GTR. For that sound, for that price, for the quality, that's top notch. I love it.